Welcome to Inside the Process channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Our process begins with recycled PET plastic bottles, arriving from collection centers across the country. Forklifts transport the recycled bales into our receiving area for processing. Workers remove the metal banding and prepare the bales for the next processing stage. The bale breaker separates compressed bottles, spreading them for individual sorting and processing. Manual sorters remove contaminants, ensuring only clear PET bottles proceed to washing. The pre-wash stage removes surface dirt and loose contaminants from collected bottles. Steam and mechanical brushes strip away labels, preparing bottles for the main washing phase. Industrial shredders transform whole bottles into uniform PET flakes for thorough cleaning. Hot water washing removes adhesives, sugars, and remaining contaminants from the PET flakes. Storage silos hold purified PET flakes, ready for melting and bottle production. Twin-screw extruders melt recycled PET flakes at controlled temperatures, creating homogeneous molten plastic. Multiple rinse cycles remove all cleaning chemicals, leaving pure PET flakes. Metered feeding systems deliver exact amounts of PET flakes to the extrusion process.
Molten PET is extruded as continuous strands and immediately cooled in water baths.
Hot air drying removes all remaining moisture, preparing flakes for melting and reprocessing. A caustic wash removes oils and organic residues, further purifying the recycled plastic. Density separation ensures only pure PET flakes continue, removing lighter plastic contaminants.
Metal detectors identify and remove any metallic contaminants from the purified flakes.
Centrifugal force removes most water from the flakes before final drying. Precision cutting transforms cooled PET strands into uniform pellets for bottle manufacturing. Screening systems ensure pellet uniformity, critical for consistent bottle production quality. Crystallization converts recycled PET into a form stable enough for injection molding processes. Desiccant drying removes all moisture, preventing defects during the molding process. Dry storage hoppers feed purified PET pellets directly to injection molding machines.
Injection molding machines melt PET pellets and prepare them for preform creation.
High-pressure injection fills precision molds, creating bottle preforms in just seconds.
Robotic systems extract finished preforms from molds, handling multiple pieces simultaneously for efficiency.
Automated vision systems inspect every preform, ensuring only perfect pieces proceed to bottle blowing. Infrared ovens heat preforms to optimal temperature for stretch blow molding into bottles. Stretch blow molding combines mechanical stretching with air pressure to form bottles. In seconds, molecular orientation and air pressure create strong, lightweight bottles.
Continuous blow molding produces thousands of identical bottles every hour. Automated leak testing verifies the integrity of every bottle before filling.
Base inspection ensures bottles have proper structural integrity for filling and handling.
UV inspection detects invisible contaminants, ensuring bottles meet food-grade standards.
Automated rinsing sanitizes bottle interiors, preparing them for product filling.
Direct printing applies product branding and information directly onto bottle surfaces.
High-speed labeling machines apply pre-printed labels with precision and consistency.
Rotary filling machines dispense precise liquid volumes into thousands of bottles per hour.
Automatic capping creates secure, tamper-evident seals on every filled bottle.
Induction sealing creates tamper-evident hermetic seals, ensuring product integrity and safety.
Torque testing verifies that caps are properly sealed to manufacturer specifications.
Fill level inspection ensures every bottle contains the exact specified amount of product. Vision systems verify proper cap installation, detecting issues invisible to human inspectors.
Code verification ensures traceability, allowing every bottle to be tracked throughout its life cycle. Metal detection provides a final safety check, removing any bottles with metallic contamination. Automated grouping systems organize bottles into precise pack configurations for secondary packaging.
Shrink wrapping secures bottle groups together, creating consumer-ready multi-packs without cardboard.
Robotic case packers load bottle packs into corrugated shipping cases with precision.
Automatic case sealers close and secure shipping cases, preparing them for distribution.
Case labeling provides critical tracking information for distribution and inventory management systems.
Dynamic check weighers verify case contents, ensuring proper pack counts and fill volumes.
Barcode scanning links physical cases to digital inventory systems for seamless logistics tracking.
Accumulation systems buffer production flow, ensuring continuous, efficient palletizing operations.
Precision robotics places each case in exact position, building layers according to optimized patterns.
Completed pallets advance automatically to stretch wrapping for load containment and protection.
Stretch wrapping encases pallets in protective film, securing loads and protecting against moisture and dust.
Film containment prevents case shifting and protect products during handling and transportation.
Pallet labeling provides shipping information and tracking barcodes for distribution center processing. Forklifts transport finished pallets from production to warehouse storage areas for order fulfillment.
Climate-controlled warehouses store finished products securely until customer orders are ready for shipment. Organized storage maximizes warehouse capacity while maintaining easy access for order fulfillment operations. Burst testing verifies bottle structural integrity under extreme pressure conditions beyond normal use.
Optical testing ensures bottles maintain crystal clarity and meet aesthetic quality standards that customers expect.
Drop testing simulates distribution stresses, validating that packaging protects products during handling and transport. Centralized monitoring systems provide real-time visibility into all production parameters and quality metrics. Preventive maintenance programs ensure equipment reliability and minimize unplanned production interruptions. Regular safety audits maintain a secure work environment, protecting employees and ensuring regulatory compliance. Shift meetings align teams, communicate priorities, and foster a collaborative culture focused on quality and safety.
Integrated production systems maximize efficiency from raw material to finished product ready for distribution. Loading dock operations efficiently transfer finished products from the warehouse to delivery trucks for distribution.
Careful loading patterns protect products during transit and facilitate efficient delivery to distribution centers and retailers.
Sustainability programs minimize environmental impact through recycling, renewable energy, and resource conservation. Energy management systems optimize resource consumption, reducing costs and environmental footprint simultaneously. Advanced water treatment systems purify and recycle water, conserving resources while maintaining strict quality standards. Comprehensive training programs ensure employees master safe operations and quality procedures before production responsibilities. Continuous innovation reduces material usage through advanced bottle designs that maintain performance with less plastic. Logistics coordination ensures on-time delivery, matching production output with customer demand across distribution networks.
Continuous inventory monitoring maintains accurate stock records, preventing shortages and optimizing warehouse space utilization.
Automated material handling vehicles increase efficiency and safety in warehouse operations.
Continuous quality monitoring and data analysis ensure consistent product excellence and process stability.
Rigorous regulatory compliance programs ensure products meet all safety and quality standards required by law.
Proactive safety programs create a culture where every employee returns home safely every day. Customer feedback drives continuous improvement, with every complaint thoroughly investigated and addressed systematically. Leadership teams use data-driven insights to optimize operations, drive improvement, and ensure customer satisfaction. Predictive maintenance programs maximize equipment uptime through data-driven scheduling and resource optimization. Engaged leadership builds strong teams, fostering a culture of excellence, safety, and continuous improvement. Multi-shift operations enable continuous production, with thorough handoffs ensuring seamless 24-hour operational excellence. Rigorous housekeeping maintains a clean, safe, organized environment essential for producing high-quality food-grade products. Each day, thousands of pallets leave our facility, delivering quality products to communities across the country. This continuous cycle transforms recycled materials into new products, demonstrating sustainable manufacturing at scale. Each bottle represents our commitment to quality, sustainability, and providing safe, reliable products to consumers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.